Russian course, level beginner, lesson 10. In this lesson, you will learn 6 new words about family. You will also learn how to say I have and I don't have. There is one exercise in this lesson. Family. Number 1. Mama, a mother. Number 2. Papa, a father. Number 3. Дочь, a daughter. Number 4. Сын, a son. Listen and repeat. Number 1. Ma, mama. Number 2. Pa, papa. Number 3. Дочь. Number 4. Сын. Number 5. Бабушка, a grandmother. Number 6. Дедушка, a grandfather. Number 7. Тетя, an aunt. Number 8. Дядя, an uncle. Listen and repeat. Number 5. Бабушка, бабушка. Number 6. Дедушка, дедушка. Number 7. Тетя, тетя. Number 8. Дядя, дядя. Иметь, to have. This verb belongs to the first conjugation because it has еть at the end in the infinitive form. Let's conjugate this verb. Number 1. Я имею. I have. Number 2. Ты имеешь. You have. Number 3. Он, она, оно имеет. He, she, it has. Number 4. Мы имеем. We have. Number 5. Вы имеете. You have. Number 6. Они имеют. They have. Я имею дом. I have a house. This verb is usually not used with people and animals. Moreover, this verb is rarely used when you need to say that you have something material like a house. Instead of я имею, the Russian people would say у меня есть. It's also translated as I have. So this construction у меня есть is used with people, animals, and things. Я имею дом. I have a house. У меня есть дом. I have a house. У меня есть тетя. I have an aunt. Negative sentences. Let's remember how to make a sentence negative. All you need to do is put не before a verb. Number 1. Я не знаю. I don't know. Не in a sentence is pronounced as ни. Number 2. Я не смотрю телевизор. I don't watch TV. I'm not watching TV. Number 3. Я не говорю по-немецки. I don't speak German. I'm not speaking German. Now I'm going to show you how to make the construction «У меня есть» negative. Number 1. У меня есть друг. I have a friend. Number 2. У меня нет друга. I don't have a friend. Number 3. У меня есть дом. I have a house. Number 4. У меня нет дома. I don't have a house. As you see, you just need to replace есть with нет, no. You definitely notice the changes of the noun endings in the negative sentences. I will explain this theme to you in the following lessons. Exercise 1. Pause the video. Tell what a person has in the first person using the new construction «У меня есть». You should start every sentence with the construction «У меня есть». The following slides will help you check yourself. Check yourself. Number 1. У меня есть сын. I have a son. Number 2. У меня есть дочь. I have a daughter. Number 3. У меня есть дядя. I have an uncle. Number 4. У меня есть тетя. I have an aunt. Number 5. У меня есть машина. I have a car. Number 6. У меня есть дом. I have a house. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for updates weekly. See you next time. Bye.